guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swati and आपको thumbnail से पता ही चल गया होगा कि वीडियो किस चीज़ के लिए है. So पहले first of all I really want to say sorry for being so late. I'm really sorry. मेरी situation थोड़ी सी difficult थी. I could not make a video and film it for you guys. And this time I'll be consistent. I promise you. Please watch this video so that I will get the motivation that I have to reel the video. Thank you so much. Let's get started with the question and answer. And मैंने Q&A किया था अपने Instagram page पे, that is Blushwise. You can follow me there too. And वहाँ पर आप लोगों ने मुझसे questions पूछे थे, तो आज मैं उनका answer करूँगी. बहुत सारे questions थे. Obviously I cannot answer each and every, but जो मेरे को बेस्ट लगे हैं मैंने और जो थोड़े सिमिलर थे उनको निकाल कर मैं आज आपको उस पर आंसर करने वाली हूँ. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ वेयर इज़ योर होम टाउन. माई होम टाउन इज़ इन अयोध्या एंड मैं पैदा नोएडा में हुई थी. एंड आई वेयर डू आई लिव, ये भी क्वेश्चन है. आई लिव इन गाज़ियाबाद. Where exactly in Ghaziabad, that is something which I'm not going to tell here for obvious reasons. Second question, how do you decide on your outfit of the day? It's totally depends on my mood. कभी मेरा mood अच्छा है तो I'll be wearing very fancy and doing जैसे आज मेरा mood बहुत अच्छा है because I am filming the video for you guys. But कभी कभी मेरा mood off रहता है या फिर I feel very, I want to relax and want to be very casual. मेरा casual is not that casual. I will wear pajamas with heels, pair of heels and with fitted top like crop tops and all. That is my casual day outfit. I don't do really casuals and all. मैं loose t-shirts घर पे कभी कभी पहनती हूँ when I really want to. Otherwise I have the cute night suits and all. मेरा इतना कुछ casual नहीं होता. I really don't like casual so much. I am into fancy and I should be a diva kind of outfits I have in my wardrobe. Third question is, what is your height? So my height is 5'2", but I tell people that I am 5'3". Because I don't. My height is 5'2". ठीक है. Next question is heels or sneakers. I don't like wearing heels so. Sorry, मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया. I don't like wearing shoes and sneakers so much. वो मैं सिर्फ जिम में पहनती हूँ, जो मैंने शायद 2 साल पहले खरीदे थे, जो मुझे गिफ्टेड है. मैंने कभी शूज़ खरीदे नहीं बिकॉज मैं शूज़ खरीदने जाती हूँ. आई हैव अ वेरी बैड चॉइस इन दैट. एंड सेकेंडली मुझे नहीं पता, मतलब आई कैन इन्वेस्ट 3 to 4K इन गुड हील्स, बट आई कैन नॉट इन्वेस्ट 3 से 4 हज़ार फॉर अ शूज़. एंड 2,000-2,500 में कोई शूज़ पसंद नहीं आते हैं. तो आई गेस आई एम अ हील्स पर्सन. मेरे को हील्स पहनना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. आई डोंट लाइक स्नीकर्स एंड शूज़. आई एम सॉरी. डन एंड डस्टेड. सो डन एंड डस्टेड जिसने भी किया है उसने मेरी इंस्टा स्टोरी बिकॉज आई यूज that I'm going to the gym and doing my workout. After that I always post a picture with the caption done and dusted. वो मैं अभी नहीं कर रही हूँ because when I was actually regular to my gym, मेरे को मैं पता नहीं, I don't know, it's नज़र और just it's something in my head. मैं बार बार बीमार पड़ रही थी and मैं रोज़ जिम नहीं जा पा रही थी, which was very irritating, when you are building something and वो बार बार कुछ ना कुछ reasons की वजह से ख़राब होता रहे and you feel so frustrated. तो उसकी वजह से मैंने done and dusted अभी बंद कर रखा है. मैं अभी जब तक I would achieve something मेरे apps नहीं आ जाते, मैं done and dusted नहीं करने वाली हूँ. वो एक ही बार होगा, especially on the post done and dusted. Yeah, I achieved my goal. Now I won't post anything अपनी story पे, अभी तो नहीं. How do you make a statement outfit with a just one piece key piece? So I don't like doing so much in one outfit. मेरे को basic outfits बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, like a basic white dress, basic black dress and pairing with the bold accessories like handcuffs हो गए, bracelets हो गए, bangles हो गए, या फिर कुछ भी आपका ये earrings हो गए, statement earrings हो गए, और maybe very good pair of heels. मुझे आउटफिट को आप जितना आई थिंक बेसिक रखो वो उतने डिसेंट एंड क्लासी लगते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू डू सो मच इन वन आउटफिट इट विल लूज द चार्म, आई गेस. व्हाट्स योर हैक फॉर लुकिंग स्टाइलिश इन अ बजट? माय हैक, I always go for my body type कि I have petite body type. For that I choose to wear crop tops with the long bottoms, which makes me look stylish, and pair it with the bunch of accessories to make me look stylish. That's it. And in a budget, buy things in a budget. How someone can be so adorable. Thank you so much, Ruhi18. But I am leaving this on you guys. You decide. Am I adorable and you guys are adorable? Cliche हो गया ना. Party places. यार, party places. There is this Khubani in Aero City, which is really good, and you should go there once. That is really good, and you should go there with your. I'm really sorry to say this on camera, but you should go there with your friends only. Don't go with your partner. You won't be able to enjoy so much. Your next plan for traveling any city. Okay, so maybe a beach place, because lately I realized I am not a mountain person. I am not either a beach I can, because I don't know. I do not have to wear bunch of clothes there. And mountains में आप बस एक जगह बैठे रहो, एक जगह stare करते रहो. बीच में you can have fun, enjoy with your friends and your sister there. मैं अपनी sister के साथ जाती हूँ, इसलिए I'm saying that. But I think मेरे को चीज़ें explore करना ज़्यादा पसंद है. But हाँ, next trip beach place. अभी वो decide नहीं हुआ है. I'll decide, and you guys will eventually know. How do you manage all the things like fitness, skincare, business? Skincare is something which I cannot live without. Fitness, I don't like myself when I don't look fit. And business, which I really need to do, because अगर पैसे नहीं होंगे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. That is the way of me surviving. वो तो नहीं छोड़ सकती. हाँ, but ठीक है, तीनों चीज़ें I cannot live without these things. Sorry. And good question. How are you managing time between your work and becoming content creator? What's the main goal here? I'm not gonna tell you the main goal here right now. So, but yeah, it is really difficult, and you feel so irritated so many times, because when I was making the AM video, I did the whole part. I thought that I was filming the whole video, but when I saw my phone and I found out that it's not there, and I was like, what the fuck, man, I have wasted so much time. And I was like, no, I'm not doing this now. I am not making this video again. But after 5 seconds, I was like, नहीं यार, I have to do it today, because मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से अपने काम के बीच में से time निकाला है. I have clients, and for you guys who doesn't know, I'm running a fashion studio. Basically, it's not a studio now, because of the rent I could not afford. I did not have that much customers, तो मैं rent afford नहीं कर पाई थी. तो मैंने अपना workshop अपने घर में ही नीचे सबसे नीचे वाले फ्लोर में शिफ्ट कर लिया. And now I do not have so much tension of the rent and all, and I'm making my customers, and someday, yeah, I'll be able to run my studio, but it will take some time, and I am waiting for that time. And it is actually very difficult to make time when you're working and you have clients to attend and अपना काम करवाना. But yeah, I really want to do it. So for the passion, I'm doing it maybe, and I think you should also, because at 40s and 60s I don't want to regret कि काश मैंने वो किया होता, and मैं नहीं कर पाई. What is your dream collaboration? Right now my dream collaboration is Google. I want to go there and have lunch and want to attend an event there. That is my dream collaboration for now. That is my one of my dreams. Yeah. What's the best fashion advice you have ever received? The best fashion advice. So I don't do so much experiments with my hair, and someone told me you should try doing more hairstyles, and I have done in one video जो मेरे black dress में था. मैंने कुछ पैसी bun type का बनाया था, and I think I really like that photo and you know the whole style, and I think I should start experimenting my hair too, with my hair too. Yeah. What is your most embarrassing fashion moment? Okay. So ये I think December में हुआ था. I went on a date and I was wearing my top inside out. And the guy was like, "Are you wearing it inside out?" I was like, "No, it's a fashion, you don't know." And after a few days, I told him, "Yeah, I was wearing that inside out." That was the most embarrassing moment. I am a designer and I'm a fashion content creator, and I'm wearing my top inside out. So that was very embarrassing. How did you start your journey as a fashion influencer? So I wanted to do it from a very long, and this is not something कि मेरे दिमाग में आया मुझे आज उठ के ये चीज़ करनी है तो मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही हूँ. नहीं, it's not like that. I wanted to be an influencer from a very long time. जो लोग मुझे बहुत पहले से जानते हैं उनको पता भी होगा. It's just you don't, when you are making something new. I was doing this fashion designing वाला thing which was very new in my whole family, and मेरे घर में किसी को भी फैशन का एफ नहीं पता, एंड आई एम द ओनली वन जो उस टाइम पे इतनी मॉडर्न सी और फैशन सी हुई थी. मेरे मॉम डैड बहुत सिंपल है. मेरी मॉम को थोड़ा बहुत कपड़े पहनने में मतलब नई नई चीज़ें ट्राई करने में अच्छा लगता है, बट स्टिल शी वॉज नॉट इनटू दैट मच इनटू फैशन. शी डजंट नो एनीथिंग कि कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, क्या कोर्स करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, बट स्टिल मतलब दे ट्रस्टेड मी विथ माई ओन dreams and they let me do what I'm doing right now. But yeah, influencing was the thing which I really started in 2017 or 18, and I could not continue because मेरे को नहीं पता था कि कैसे आगे इसको बढ़ाना है. There's this WordPress में मेरा blog भी है, अगर if you guys wanna check, just saying, so you can go and check Style Life Muse by Swati. You will see कि मैं उस टाइम से I wanted to be a fashion blogger, but I could not. So I'm starting now. What's your advice for someone starting in fashion influencing? Be it fashion influencing, if you want to be an influencer or a content creator, and you have to, the first thing you have to be is to be consistent. Consistency is the key, because मैं नहीं हो पा रही हूँ, and I'm actually working on it. I was not well, I was not okay, and I was feeling frustrated because वो एक बार निकल नहीं कर पाते आप, सेकेंड टाइम यू ट्राई नहीं हो पाता, थर्ड टाइम भी नहीं हो पाता, तो यू फील सो डीमोटिवेटेड एंड यू फील लाइक यार मैं तो कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, मे बी आई एम नॉट meant for this thing. But I guess you should have the faith and wait for the right time and go with the flow. Wait for the right time. You will just be consistent, and I am working on it. You can do it like मेरे साथ. How do you stay confident in front of the camera? I do not. I record, then I pause. I record again, then I pause. I take some time for myself, deep breath, थोड़ा सा meditation, and think about funny things. कुछ अभी वीडियो मैं देख रही थी funny video, so that I won't feel awkward in front of the camera. I am not that confident. I am working on it, and I will achieve that thing कि हाँ ठीक है, with time I'll be confident कि ठीक है किसी ने एकदम से कैमरा खोला और मैं बोल दूँ, क्योंकि मेरे पुराने आप वीडियोस देखोगे उसमें देखोगे आप कि क्या बोलना है ना मुझे, मेरे को मैं पोइट्री के लिए गई हुई थी, अभी भी देखो पोइट्री बोल रही हूँ, पोइट्री के लिए गई हुई थी और मेरे को उसका नाम नहीं याद नहीं था, मैं कहाँ पर हूँ, एंड I felt so stupid. See, so I think मैं अभी जितना रुक रही हूँ, I'm not fluent right now in front of the camera. That means I am not. I am just working on it. I will get there, but it will take some time. And जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, just start your camera and do it in front of the camera. Just do it यार. क्या होगा? 4 लोग मजाक बनाएंगे, 2 लोग जो हौसला दे रहे होंगे उसका सुनो, 4 लोग तो मजाक उनके पास तो है ही नहीं कुछ काम करने के लिए, बट जो 2 आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं एंड शेयर कर रहे हैं, आप उनका सुनो. स्टॉप लिसनिंग टू द पीपल हु आर नॉट हैप्पी विद योर हैप्पीनेस. वो वैसे भी अपनी लाइफ से खुश नहीं है, तो स्टार्ट ट्रस्टिंग योरसेल्फ एंड यू विल बी देयर. आई थिंक इट्स डन फॉर दिस ब्लॉग. एंड मैंने इतनी लंबी वीडियो नहीं बनाई है बिकॉज आप लोग मुझसे बोलते थे इतनी लंबी वीडियो कौन देखेगा. आई मेक द लॉन्ग वीडियो बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक टू टॉक इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा नाउ. अब थोड़ा सा मज़ा आ रहा है. तो ठीक है, आई मेक द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वेरी सून. एंड प्लीज़ like my video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. And please, I will be consistent this time. Do not leave me, do not unsubscribe me. See you soon in the next video. Bye. Tab tak bye bye. Take care.